Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Shiba Inu coin. It's been a while. Some of you guys asked for me to do another price prediction on it, so that's what I'm going to do on this video. But first, if you guys are into investing, you like to buy stocks, you like to buy crypto, and you like to see how other people analyze charts, then you're going to want to watch this video. You're going to see some stuff you haven't seen before. I promise you, if you haven't seen my videos before, you're going to like these. But if you guys are interested in investing and you guys are maybe stuck in on coins and stuff, or you're stuck in on stocks, or maybe you're thinking about jumping into a stock, let me know down below in the comments and I'll analyze things and I'll let you know my opinion. It's not advice, guys. It's just an opinion, but my method works well for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And by the time we're done, you're probably going to want to subscribe to the channel. So let me share my screen with you guys. Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. I just got done driving about 7 hours. Just got in the hotel, looking out over the balcony here. Nice area. It's about 106 out. Okay. So here's Shiba Inu. You can see the current price over here on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And what I do, guys, is I use a number of different indicators, but most of the time I just end up eyeballing things. But I'll use things like MACD, RSI, Ichimoku Cloud, VWAP, and then volume. I use that in conjunction with everything. But as I said, most of the time I like to eyeball things. And what I do is I draw bases on charts. So when I jump into a chart, I'll start drawing bases and I'll analyze it. I'll go back a little ways. And what happens is when I draw these baselines, I wait for price action to drop below these baselines. And what happens is once it drops down, I wait for a little bit, I buy on the dip, and then I wait for it to come back up, okay? And then I set my take profit where my baseline was at, okay? So I'm buying the dip. We all know you got to buy the dip. Buy low, sell high, right? Okay, so here's a baseline I drew. I'm just going to show you that it works. Baseline drawn here. It came down. Anybody could have bought right in here. Let me extend this up a little bit so you guys can see. Anybody could have bought right in here and then sold right up here back at the line again, okay? You never know how far down it's going to go. Sometimes it goes way down. Sometimes it goes, you could get like 70% back. Sometimes it goes down just a little bit. So you never really know. But I don't even set stop losses anymore, okay? Especially on crypto, I don't. I guess I could, but I found that more often than not, I was being taken out on trades. And then when I go back and look at it like a day or two later, it came back up. Okay. So here's another one. Drew baseline here, shot down, bounced around for a while. And what did it do? It came back up, right? It even went a little bit higher. You never know how high it's going to go. I usually will set my take profit right there at that line. That'll be like the maximum amount of time I'll wait. Sometimes if I buy down here, I might sell somewhere in between, so I don't have to wait as long. I don't want to be greedy. I just want to get a profit. I want to be green for the day. Okay, let's go across here some more. Here's another example. Right there, baseline. Boom. Could have bought down here and waited for it to come back up to that line. And you'll see it went up to that line. It went a little bit more, and then it started to shoot down. Actually, it hit that line, and then it came down, and then it went back up. And I'm on the daily chart, guys. Here's another base, came down, came back up. Let's keep going. Here's one right here, broke this baseline right here. Lingered way down here for a while, a couple months, and then what did it do? It came back up. It broke there and swung back up. A short little one right there. Let's keep going. So if you guys are finding this interesting, please look down below the video, give me a thumbs up. Helps me with the algorithm. Okay, right here, broke this base, lingered. When was this? November of 2022. And when did it come back up? Right over here on January of 23. And if it would have missed that, because it was just a candlestick right there, right on the wick, it would have hit it again like 3 or 4 more times. Okay. And so I could have bought down here and I could have sold, I could have sold right there. I could have sold right there. It doesn't matter. I just go in and I calculate everything out and I determine, so I don't want to be greedy. Okay, let me get rid of those 2 lines. Okay, here's a couple more. So you guys are getting the gist here. Broke this base right here, came back up, this one and this one. It broke this one and came back up. But this is kind of what I'm seeing. Let me get rid of some of these lines here so you guys don't have to get confused. I'm thinking this thing is coming up near the top of the swing back. Okay. Anyone that bought down here, they could take profit anywhere up here. And we're getting up to these couple points right here. This is where I would probably be setting my take profit. You can see here, there's a candlestick right here, a wick that almost got to this point right here. And this point is, and if you want to write this down, point and then 4 zeros, 1159. It doesn't have to be exact. So 0.00001159, and then up here 0.00001219. Okay, this thing could go higher. I'm not saying that it won't, but I'm saying usually what happens is when it hits this point, it'll usually start to sometimes come down. And I'd rather be safe, have a green day, get out of the trade, and then I'll wait a while for this thing to do some more stuff, and then hopefully at some point, you know, it'll start to come down, and then maybe a new base will form. So, if you guys have liked this video, thank you guys for watching. Remember, subscribe below and hit the bell when it pops up so that you're notified of my next video, and add comments down below, guys. Let me know what kind of trades you're in. If you want me to look at anything or analyze anything, I'll let you know in the comments. And I'm looking for another topic for my next video. So if you guys have something and I think I can do a video on it, I might do it. So thanks guys for watching. Have a great night, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.